Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. So in this video, we are going to solve a problem which is given in 2024 question paper. So that is PYQ 2024. You can check the paper 2024. The question will be there. You can check it out there. So what they have asked to prepare us the comparative balance sheet of Amruteshwari Company and Limited. So they have not given in format. They just put share capital reserves, long-term loans, current liabilities, everything at a line. But we need to bring it in a format. Then only you'll get the full marks. So how we can bring it in the format? I have given a format in previous video. If you have noted it down, it will be very helpful here. So have I'll show the format. I have already prepared it, then you'll get an idea. So we need to bring it in this format. They have given directly share capital, reserves, long-term loans, and current liabilities, building, machinery, everything they have given, but not in format. So we need to bring it in this format. So this is the correct format, and you'll get full marks, right? You'll get full marks for this format only. So let us discuss this, how we can bring it out. So first thing they have given share capital. This comes under liability, you all know it, and reserves also. But under which heading? Under which heading? That is the question. So let us see here. The first thing we'll write is equity and liability. That is the first item we'll get in the balance sheet. So under it, we'll have first thing shareholders fund. Under shareholders fund, we know that we'll have share capital and reserves. In the previous chapter also, we have discussed this. That is accounting for share capital. In that chapter also, we have discussed it. So you can check it out. So you need to bring it in this format. Under shareholders fund, we have share capital and reserves and surplus. And the third thing, they have given long-term loans. This is non-current liability, correct? So this will come under non-current liability. Obviously, second non-current liabilities, under non-current liabilities, will have long-term borrowings. Borrowings means loans. There is no difference at all. Okay. And directly they have given current liability. We'll show it as current liability only. Right. Then if you come to the assets, we have building, machinery, inventories, receivables, cash and cash equivalents. So these things, building and machinery, are fixed assets which will give benefit for so many years, correct, not for 1 year. So it will give benefit for so many years. But inventory, trade receivable, cash and cash equivalent, these things are going to give benefit for only 1 year, for only 1 year. So this will be classified as non current assets, and these three will be classified as current assets. So under non-current assets, we'll keep another head, that is fixed assets. And under fixed assets, you can keep tangible assets, or you can leave this tangible assets. Directly, you can put building and machinery under fixed assets. Right. So building and machinery is sorted out. Another thing, inventory, trade receivable, and cash equivalents. Obviously, which is giving benefit for only 1 year or within 1 year. So this will be considered as current assets. So we'll show it under current assets, inventories, cash and cash equivalent, trade receivables. So let us put the amounts, and then we'll solve the question. Right. So for share capital, 8 lakh for 22, and 9 lakh for 23. For share capital, 8 lakh rupees, 22, 9 lakh rupees for 23. And again reserves 80,000 and 90,000, 80,000 and 90,000. Again, long-term loans are 20,000 and 30,000. 20, 30,000. And current liabilities are 30,000 and 20,000. 30,000 and 20,000. Total 9 lakh 30, 10 lakh 40. 9 lakh 30,000, 10 lakh 40,000. So this is the total. And building 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 4 lakh for 22, 5 lakh for 23. And machinery 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh and 2 lakh. And again, inventory 3 lakh, 3 lakh. There is no change. There is no change. And trade receivables 90,000, 20,000. Trade receivables 90,000 and 20,000. Right. And cash and cash equivalent 40, 20. 40,000 and 20,000. Okay, we have taken all the amounts and written it down in the format, and we'll solve it now. So first thing, we need to observe the what is the absolute change or absolute increase or decrease in the values. We need to compare it basically for previous year and current year. So you know it what is previous year and current year. So obviously no need to discuss it again and again. Right. What is the change? So share capital in 2022 it was 8 lakhs, and in 2023 it became 9 lakh rupees. So obviously 1 lakh rupees changes there, that is increased. Correct. So what is the percentage? What is the percentage? So let me calculate it. 1 lakh divided by, we need to compare it with the base year. Correct. So we need to compare with the base year. So that is 8 lakh into 100. If you do that, you'll get the percentage of 12.5. 12.5 percentage. So the next thing is reserves and surplus, which was 80,000 in 22, and now it is 90,000. 10,000 is the change. 10,000 increased. Same, I think 12.5%. If you want, I'll calculate it once. 10,000 divided by 80,000 into 100. You'll get 12.5 again. So the next thing is long-term borrowings. In the long-term borrowings, we have 20,000 in 2022, and it became 30,000 in 23. So obviously 10,000 is the change. 10,000 increased. So what is the percentage? 10,000 divided by 20,000 into 100. It will be 50 percentage. So no need to calculate. And again, we got current liabilities. It was 30,000 in 22 and 20,000 in 23. So obviously 10,000 decreased. Correct. 10,000 decreased. So what is the percentage? 10 divided by 30,000. 10,000 divided by 30,000 into 100. If you do that, it will come out 33.33 percentage. So you can calculate it once. And obviously we got total liabilities. It was 9 lakh 30,000 in 22 and 10 lakh 40,000 in 23. What is the change there? I think around 1 lakh 10,000 is the change. 1 lakh 10,000 is the change. So you can calculate it percentage. What is the percentage? 1 lakh 10,000 divided by 9 lakh 30,000, that is base year, into 100. So if you do that, 11.82 percentage, 11.8, you can keep it as 83 also, because here 82, after this 79 is there. It is more than 50, so we'll keep it as 3. Right. Finally, we finished this. And the next thing is assets. The same thing, whatever we done for the liabilities, same thing we'll do for the assets also. There is no changes. Okay. Uh, you can see building. It was 4 lakh in 22, and it became 5 lakh in 23. So what is the change? Obviously, 1 lakh is the change. So 1 lakh increased. We can see 1 lakh increased. So we need to find out the percentage. 1 lakh divided by 4 lakh into 100. 1 lakh divided by 4 lakh into 100. It will be 25 percentage. We can calculate it. And for machinery, it was 1 lakh and now it increased to 2 lakh rupees. So obviously here also 1 lakh is the change. 1 lakh increased, obviously 1 divided by 1, that is 1 lakh is the change, divided by, is it 10,000? No, obviously, yeah, it is 1 lakh only. So right, 1 lakh is the change, and 1 lakh is the base year amount into 100. Obviously it will come out as 100 percentage increase, right? So the next thing, 3 lakhs, there is no changes in inventories, and there will be no percentage also. Zero changes, 0 percentage, finished. Cash and cash equivalent. It was 40,000, but it decreased to 20,000, right? So 20,000 is the change, which is decreased. And what is the percentage? 20 divided by 20,000 into 40,000 into, sorry, 20,000 divided by 40,000 into 100. So what will be the percentage? Obviously, it is 20%, sorry, 50 percentage is the change. And again, we'll see the trade receivable. It was 90,000. No, yeah, it was 90,000 and it became 20,000. Almost 70,000 decreased. 70,000 decreased. So what is the percentage? Let me calculate it. So 70,000 divided by 90,000, that is base year, into 100. So it will come out 77.77. We can keep it as 78. 77.78 percentage. And total, obviously 9 lakh 30,000 assets, and 10 lakh 40,000 is liability. Obviously 1 lakh 10,000 is the change, and again 11.83 percentage. The same thing, right? Here total assets also same amount, and again 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 10,000. You can check it out here. 9 lakh 30, 10 lakh 40, and change will be same, and again percentage will be same. So with this, we are finishing this question. Please practice this question along with the format. So if you want to get 14 marks, you need format. That is for sure. Yeah, completely note it down. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video, and in the next video, we'll solve common size questions. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.